Welcome everyone to AP Bio with Mr. Jennings. Today's video is mainly focused on just talking about the summer assignment and kind of introducing the course. So one of the things that became a tradition ever since I took AP Bio over back a few years ago was the introduction of a summer assignment. Now the summer assignment's main purpose was to kind of get you in the mindset of the course, but also to kind of give you something fun to do. So in the past, what I used to do was give a reading. One year it was Immortal Life and Relax by Rebecca Skloot, and the year before that was Finding Your Inner Fish with Neil Shubin. So both those are fantastic books, and I was looking at redoing those again this year. But instead, I decided to do something different, and that is, I'm going to ditch the books for now. We're going to do stuff with the books probably down the road. Instead, because there's been this big revamp in the AP Bio curriculum from College Board, and I decided that I need to focus my energy on kind of being a review before you come into the class, I decided to create a series of videos. I'm going to create a series of videos, I should say, that are kind of a basic primer. So what you can find right now on the summer assignment page, summer assignment canvas, is you're going to see the summer scavenger hunt. It is strictly optional like everything, and it's basically fun. It's stuff you would do all the time anyway in the summer. I recommend doing it. Heck, I'll be doing some of it myself as this course goes on, because it's a long summer and I got kids. That said, let's talk about the actual main meat of the summer. So the main meat is these review videos. There's going to be about 9 to 10, maybe more, maybe less. Nothing committal yet because things are still moving, and there's always moving pieces. So I never want to commit to saying there's a lot here. But what I can tell you is the videos are going to basically deal with a few things. So you're going to see at least 2 chemistry videos, basically acting as a chemistry boot camp. Most of our students in AP Bio have not had full-on chemistry yet. Now, understandably, I can work with that. I dropped that as a major requirement for the course, mainly due to scheduling. If I waited to every single student who had chemistry completed before they took AP Bio, we would not have very many students at all. Very few and far between students can actually do that by their junior year. So then they would wait to their senior to take AP Bio, and if they took it their senior year, more likely they weren't going to take it. So I didn't want to do that. So I dropped the chemistry requirement. As such, I had to pick up some of the slack as the teacher. And that's perfectly fine, I understand that. But to kind of give y'all at least a little bit of a legs up, is there's going to be some chemistry boot camps. Basically a couple videos, maybe 3 if needed, that kind of go into the details of chemistry and kind of the basics that you need to understand to be functional. Stuff like what is an atom and how chemical reactions work. We're not going to focus so much on the stuff like stoichiometry. We're going to probably talk about gas laws, but nothing crazy. But we're not going to go into the super hardcore stuff, because really that's what we're going to do in the classroom. But mainly this is supposed to be acted as kind of a little bit of a refresher of stuff you learn in physical science, but also an enrichment of those concepts so you actually can learn a little bit and have a little bit of advancement of knowledge more so than just a pure straight review. Now, the other videos you're going to see from me are going to be, you're going to see some biology review. Now, there's going to be about 8 biology review videos, and they're just that. They are simply review and refreshers of the main biology concepts. Things like cells, DNA expression, evolution, for instance, all those, and many, many more, are going to be getting a small little review video. Now, the video is basically to be a refresher, like I said. Many of y'all have not had biology for a couple of years. There's going to be some coming straight out of biology. We have some upcoming sophomores, so first really for the course. And you just came out of biology. Several of y'all had me. Several of y'all had another teacher. And I kind of want to get us all on the same page there. Second, we got some students who are seniors, and they have had biology possibly as early as their freshman year. It's been a few years, so we kind of want to get them back up to speed as well. So everything is to basically get everybody on page with the basics. Now, what you're going to do to be accountable for those videos is still to be determined. That is going to be coming up with every video. It'll probably be case-by-case basis. I'm not going to assign you a worksheet. However, there might be some kind of like, you need to give me a kind of a summary or make a sketch or something like that. Something that kind of shows me that you watched a small 5 to 10 minute video during the summer and took your time to actually listen to me and pay attention. Now, these courses, there will be some sort of a grade given to them, but you obviously, if you didn't complete them over the summer, you get the option to complete them during the school year when we get back. Because there's going to be a handful of students who do not pay attention to the summer assignment, they do not go to the Canvas course, or they were added late and guidance was not able to tell me in time. And that happens a few times. Kids transfer in, etc. That's another reason why I moved away from the book readings. It became a mess. Last year was just a mess with that. Well, that said, just a little recap here. There's now a summer assignment. Summer scavenger hunt, still a go. You're going to find that document there, along with some other interesting things like supplies lists, stuff like that. Minuscule things, but very useful, very, very important stuff. Basically, though, what you're going to do is you're going to expect about 10 videos coming out on Canvas. If you want, you can subscribe to this YouTube page if you're into that. Ring the bell and all that YouTube jargon, whatever. Can't believe I just said that. But those YouTube videos will be coming out as well. You'll see them here soon. As for frequency, probably about once a week is what I'm going to shoot for, maybe more than that. I would like to get as many out as I possibly can, so you can just get these done as quick as you want. Or wait till the last minute until August 2nd and do them right then and there, because I know what y'all are about. I am familiar with the college life. Or, sorry, the high school life. College life is so much better. Alright, that said, I'm looking forward to this class. It's possibly a record-breaking year. We're having 2 sessions at AP Bio again for the first time in a couple years. Really excited, and I'm looking forward to making this the best AP Bio that we've ever had here at our school. That said, I'm going to send you all off. Hope you're having a great summer, and I will see you all here shortly.